I'll tell you an inspiring thought. One of the main prayers that we say during the high holiday season, specifically during Yom Noraim, the days of awe, Sesimei Tshuva, days of penitence, is Avinu Malkeinu. We refer to Hashem as our Father and as our King. So why do we refer to both of these titles? Now, Rosh Hashanah, the primary concept is Hashem's kingship. We ask Hashem, Molech ala olam kulei, rule over the entire world. Rosh Hashanah is the Haftarah, is the coronation of the king. It's Hashem renewing his interest in being a king, governing over his creation. But kings are also authorities, and there's some degree of rigidity that comes with that authority, to the extent that we're told that Melech HaMeichel al Kvoidei Ein Kvoidei Mochel, that a king who forgoes his honor still stands. He's not allowed to forgo his honor. In other words, it's the honor of the position. So really, by all rights, being that Hashem is a king, if somebody transgresses the edict of the king, meaning we don't do what we were told clearly in Shulchan Aruch to do, the king really can't help you. It's I'm very sorry, but Merida b'malchus, I mean, treason is a high offense, so high crime. And it's true. But the good news is that Hashem is Avinu Malkeinu. He's not just a king. He's our Father, the King. And of HaMeichel al Kveidei Machol, that a father and a mother, for that matter, who forego the honor due to them, even though it's one of the 10 commandments. Yes, kabedis avicha v'esimecha. We know that kibud avim is a mitzvah. It's not just a mitzvah. It's from the 10 commandments. We know that. Yes, yes, and yes. And nevertheless, a father and a mother have a power that a king doesn't have, which is they can forego the honor due to them. Now, they don't forego the honor due to them because they're timid or because they're trying to win their child's approval or they're people pleasers. It's not coming from weakness. They forego the honor due to them when that is the right thing for their ability to help their child. A parent's job is to help your child to grow, to move from level to level. And there are times when setting aside our honor is advantageous for our ability to do our job as parents and to help our children grow. So Hashem has that power. Hashem definitely is a humble king. He's a fatherly king. Hashem sets aside his honor and he allows us the ability to come back home time after time after time. And if we can emulate even a fraction of his compassion and his forgiveness, I think there will be a lot more peace in everybody's homes.
Hey, this is Shais Taub. You were just watching a clip from this class. If you want to get the full context, the full class that this clip that you just watched was from, you watch right here. Click right